Alright, so I got one of these guys, the driver's door module bezel. So the way this is attached, it's attached with this little clip here and then a screw on the top. So the problem that I had with this guy is that the clip broke down here and then also broke up there. That didn't break up there initially, it just, when I was pulling up on it to see if it was screwed in, I broke that off. But I've seen other ones that didn't have a screw, where they had like a locating pin that you didn't have to put the screw in. This obviously you have to put the screw in because there's only a little hole there. I say I had a Suburban that had like a pin that stuck out that it would sit in the pin. You could pop it in and it wouldn't come out, but this one's just gonna go flopping around. So what we have to do is remove the door panel, and then I can get at the back of the screw, because it's obviously comes up from underneath and I wouldn't be able to attach that without taking the panel off. So we are going to take the panel off. It's going to be a screw under here. So you got the one screw there, you got the one screw here. Can't remember which way this goes. That off, and let's see, so up under here, I guess it's just a push pin. Push pin out there. That goes up there. So it's just a little hook, goes down and up. And then there's a little Torx under this guy. Little Torx bit there. So these screws here are, I believe, 7mm. Fits in there. And this is a T20. That's a T20. So once you pull these off, and then once you get all the screws and stuff out, the door panel just comes up, and it comes out. That plastic piece is broken. That's good. So it'll be easy to pull this off now and just get kind of behind these little tabs. One side. Two sides. I'm just gonna hold this up and take that screw out. Maybe. Okay. So many pliers, because it's not cooperating. And we'll install the new one. Put this screw in. Don't go too tight because you don't want to break it, obviously. Snap that up from the inside. So when you put this back on, you want to get this top hooked on first, or get it in and flat. There's hooks on the back, that's why you got to pull it up. It's hooked on. So you get all your hooks kind of in there, and push it back, slide it down, make sure you're hooked on the top right and all your hooks are in on the sides. I like these door panels better because they don't have all the push pins that can break off. They just, like I say, just unhooks and comes off. I prefer these ones. Push our push pin in the front. Take our T20, put our Torx bolt back here. A little cap on. And the panel here, so that goes in first and then clips back. So 2 clips. Is that this piece on, and a door lock. So you want to make sure you kind of line that up with the hook there. It goes in forward and then pops back. That's kind of weird. Why is that not working now? Confusing. Maybe I hit it too many times. Alright, it must have been because when we were messing with the panel, I kept hitting the lock button, so that didn't want to work the right way. Works now. So, anyway, it's kind of a quick change. But yeah, the little clip broke off here, and obviously it broke off there, so it wasn't very expensive, but it's pretty easy fix. But anyway, that's how you take the panel off, and that's how you kind of replace this. I mean, pretty much. So I don't know if you could see just by the angle, but the way I put this in was I pushed it in the groove first, and then snapped it down, and then put the screw up from the bottom, and then I just pushed the module in up from underneath to put it back in. But anyway, so it's a pretty quick and easy one. So thanks for watching.